Welcome to the iCommand Pro Server Management Walkthrough. In this video, we're going to look at some of the key areas of server configuration for iCommand Pro. Upon opening the application, initially the user is presented with a screen prompting them to select a server. Upon selecting their desired server, the username and login details for this server must then be entered before access is granted. Once logged in, the user is presented with the tree view. This displays various parameters and configurable options for the server in question. By selecting MVR recording folders, individual recordings can be assigned to different MVR servers. Recording partitions can be created in this section. In addition, once recording partitions have been configured on the server, new recording folders may be added at will. Recording folders can be configured in two modes, so that they may either be protected or may be overwritable. To add a server to iCommand Pro, the user must right-click on Device Management. Upon clicking on Device Management, they are provided with a range of options for adding and configuring new servers. By selecting Add Servers, the user is provided with a dialog box in which to enter the server name and IP address. In the Device Manager section, users can add and configure various IP devices. These devices may include Co's iView IP cameras and Co's Xstream IP video servers. In addition, a wide range of third-party devices may also be used with iCommand Pro. Once a device has been added and selected from the list on the left of the screen, many details about this device may be configured, from serial protocols and also analytical capabilities for the device. In addition, alarm inputs and also virtual cameras may be configured in this section of the manager. Looking at user administration for the iCommand Pro Server Manager. In this section, we can see groups and profiles. We can create unlimited different groups with an unlimited numbers of users in each group. Permissions can be assigned to groups to access IP devices, as well as specific functions and map sets. Next, we're going to look at adding new users to the system. In this instance, we're going to add a user to the selected group. So firstly, we have to pick a name for our user. In this case, we're going to call them guest1. And then we have to pick a group for which they'll be assigned. So in this circumstance, we're going to put them in as an operator. Finally, we have to select a password for the user and enter this twice, and then various options can be set up for the individual user. These include configuration of how many screens and how many cameras per screen the user is provided access to. By selecting sequence management, sequences can be added and configured for use in the iCommand Pro interface. For individual cameras, the duration of the time that each camera is displayed on screen may be edited. This allows complete configuration for the sequence. Additional cameras may be added by simply dragging and dropping. Once the desired settings have been configured and applied, the sequence becomes available for selection in the workstation tree view. In iCommand Pro Server Manager, recording schedules are very easy to set up. They're easily enabled and disabled in the configuration screen. To set up a new recording schedule, the user should select Add Job from the menu. This brings up a wizard, which allows a selection of cameras and IP devices for adding to the recording schedule. After selecting the devices that you desire to add to the schedule, then a folder must be selected for where the recording should be received into. After a recording area has been selected, subsequent options include the type of recording. This may be continuous, scheduled, event-driven, or event-driven with schedule. In this example, we're going to look at event-driven with schedule. An intuitive, calendar-based schedule tool is included. As the type of recording selected was event-driven with schedule, after setting up the schedules, we now must look at relevant alarm triggers. In addition, configuration of pre- and post-event alarm recording times are configured here. This next screen controls disk space management. Recordings from individual cameras or groups of cameras can be individually regulated. This allows footage to be overwritten within timeframes allocated by the user. Now we have finished configuring our schedule. It's been added to the schedule summary screen. iCommand Pro includes a powerful alarm-based management feature. Alarm triggers may come from a variety of sources. Contact closure inputs on and third-party IP devices, video detection, as well as intelligent video analytics will all be recognised by iCommand Pro. These alarm triggers are received and fed into a Boolean logic-based alarm filter. Logical functions such as AND, OR, NOT, as well as alarm buffers and a calendar-based schedule are also available. Using these functions, powerful logical alarm filters can be configured. Here are some examples of these powerful logical alarm filters being configured. In this first example, we can see the logical OR function being used to control two alarm triggers with time and date schedules. Alarms can be used to generate automatic video outputs as a pop-up display, as well as appropriate map displays. In this video, we'll look through just a few of the features of iCommand Pro Video Management Server. This exciting product has many more features. Contact Code for more information on these, and thank you for watching.